Hello guys, welcome back. This is Amit. This is the second video of C++ V series. Make sure that you have watched my first video so that it will be easier to understand the second problem. So the second problem is totally based on the first, but here there is some more option. So I'll give the question first. The question is to make a C++ program. You have to create a C++ program in which you have to validate the entered number is even or odd. So then if it is even and if it is even, you have to square it. You have to square, and if it is odd, you have to print as it is. You have to print as it is. Okay, as it is. So for example, if the user input 2, that is to check whether this even or odd, you have to refer the first video where I have explained how the program works. So here if 2 is even, so what will be the square of this? That will be 4, right? So I'll write the code for this now. The code will in header file #include iostream.h. So after header file, you need to define some variables here. That is, you need a variable n which can hold the entered value, that is entered number, and nothing else. You need only one thing, n. So what message you should display is the first thing, you have to display that program to validate, and to if it is even, it will uh, it will be squared, and if it is odd, it will be printed as it is. You can give message here. I'm just putting a program dot dot dot. So the C out next is, you have to ask user to enter the number. Enter the number. So enter the number. You have to take this number using scene, that is n. Now n is holding the entered number. So what you have to do, you have to check whether it is even or odd. n%2, that is double equal to 0 or not. If it is 0, it will be even. If you didn't get this line, you have to refer to my previous video. Okay, so here this is even. So what should happen is, cout, as I told, the squared value should print. So first of all, we'll print yes, it is even. It is even. And we'll give some space, then we'll put the answer, that is, sorry, we'll put it in next line. Let's close it. Yes, it is even in the first line, and in the next line here I'm putting cout and l to go to the next line, and here cout square. What should be the square? That is n star n, right? This is star inside bracket. Here the square will be printed. It will be calculated and it will be printed. If you want, if it is odd, else what should happen? Cout again end l to go to the next line while printing. I mean while displaying the data on the screen. So here cout yes, it is odd. Yes, it is odd. The next thing it should print is as it is. Yes, it is odd, the number. You can give any message as per your wish. I am giving just a message, that is number. Number is n. That's it. So we'll close this loop, else part, and we'll close the main program. This is the end of main, and this is the end of there is no have we taken two loops? Let's check. No, we haven't. So it will be the output will be. I'll show how the output will how the output will look when assume that you are user. The first thing it will print on the screen is program dot because I have given the message like this. Then on the next line it will print enter the number. Sorry, enter the number. So the number, let's assume I'm entering 10. I mean you are the user, so you will be entering 10. So the next thing what it will do is it will validate whether 10 is even or odd. If it is even, if this 10 is even, so yes, it is even, right? We'll check the message what I have given. I have given yes, it is even, yes, right? Then after this itself it will print square. Have I given a colon here? We'll check it. No, I'll give it. You want to print the square in the next line, here you can use slash n if you want it in the next line. See here I'll put a underscore so that you can easily differentiate that after square here there will be semicolon square, then sorry, this is underscore, then square, there's a colon, then the answer will be 10 into 10, that will be 100. This is how the output will be. And if it is odd, this this is the first output, and if it is odd, how it will be? So it will be proof again. Sorry, I'll do it in I'll erase this. So how will be the output if it is odd? That is program dot and there will be the second is enter the number. Assume you have entered 5. So what will be the next output? That is yes, it is odd. Okay, after that I guess I have used slash in here. No, I haven't. I'll use slash in so that it will be printed on the next line. So how it will be printed? That is number colon 5. Okay, this is the output. If it is odd, this is how the output will be, and if it is even, it will be printed the square of that number. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Do like, share and subscribe.